Hi guys! Today's a big day. City Namit Git Food receive an order for 50 Namit Git bento boxes with pork fritada, lumpiang gulay, and steamed rice. I'll take you behind the scenes on how we prepare them. Ang toka ko is admin, so ako yung gumagawa ng label. Dito kasi sa UK, is very important ang allergen label. Kaya if ever may food business kayo, don't forget to always do your allergen records. Tapos, si chef naman ang bahala sa prepping and kitchen stuff, from shopping the ingredients, cutting, and cooking. Tapos, tulungan na kami sa pag-pack close to the delivery window to ensure freshness and safe holding. And that is the 50 Namit Git bentos done. It's a lot of work at nakakapagod, pero teamwork make it possible. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!